Hi, Cheryl. Mike Leamy just pointed this out, and I thought I'd ask you. It looks like students who added after I merged my two sections have show two sections here. I don't know if I said that clearly, but you see how Saeed, Muhammad, and Sajad, they all added after the beginning of the term, and they all show two sections. So I'm thinking that means they get in their Canvas, on their Canvas site, they probably have a bad section for our class and then the correct section. And so I'm wondering if there's a way around this, if I can inactivate the section that I leave behind, right? The dead section. Okay, thanks.